Exploring the Horizons brings you Bluff Springs, both the springtime and also later on in the video. For those of you that stay tuned, you'll also get to see what Bluff Springs looks like during the winter time as well. So this area is actually near Cloudcroft, New Mexico. It's just a short drive over to where it's at. The roads are easy to get to. You don't need a four-wheel drive to get over to this location. And it does have bathroom facilities as well as lots of hiking trails. So you go over this bridge and look at the water. From the bridge, if you go to the trail that's on the right-hand side, it will eventually take you over to the waterfall that actually comes from Bluff Springs. So you're going to go up to these short flights of stairs first, and then you'll see on your right there's going to be an exit. That exit is going to take you right up to the waterfall itself. Area is very popular among locals as well as tourists alike that come over to the Cloudcroft region. In a little bit, I'm also going to show you where the spring originates from. You can imagine I did have to get wet for that video, so I did have to take one for the team there. So in a moment, we're going to hike up the stairs again, and we're going to follow the trail that's going to lead us over to the actual spring itself. As you can tell in this video, I'm cutting back and forth between music as well as nature sounds, and part of why I had to do that was because there were other people here. I try not to show them very often in the video. The people were talking, and in one case, a group of individuals that were nearby me while I was filming got into a very heated debate. So this is the top of the spring where the waterfall starts as it goes over the edge, and that's the spring itself as it goes towards the waterfall. The water is extremely cold. It feels like ice water. So if you have sore feet or any problems with your feet, believe it or not, actually sticking your feet in this water actually will help. So we're going back up to the trail to the origin of the springs. It's not a very long walk. As you go up, you'll see where that bend is, and once you get past that bend, you're actually going to be pretty close to where the spring wells up from the ground. In this area, one time I did try to have a picnic. Discovered there's actually a lot of bugs over in this area. Wouldn't recommend trying that again. This is the spring. So I'm not sure aware of any actual underground caves in that area. If you happen to know any, please mention in the comments if there are caves around here, because if there's a spring there, you would expect there to be massive caves. pretty soon, like I said earlier in the video, we are going to see what it looks like during the winter time. And these are back the stairs, back to the trail. Now this is what it looks like during the winter time. Now trying to go up those stairs during the winter time, especially the spring, can be a bit dangerous as the stairs themselves can get very icy. Unfortunately, it was too slippery and icy to get near the waterfall itself. Please help me out by hitting that like and subscribe button so that way I can bring you more content. It does help me out a lot. Plus, it's free to you.